Now, when we are like this, with a weight on the front foot, we turn to the left 90 degrees and raise our wings up the chest and spread the wings. Okay? Then we scan the horizon to the left, all the way to the left, beyond the tip of the left hand. And then we caress the wing with a beak 3 times. Like this. 1, 2, 3. And we move back to the center and we lower down the wings. And we take half a step with the right foot. And we do the same to the right. We turn 90 degrees. We raise the wings to in front of the chest and we spread them. And then we scan the horizon with moving to the right, beyond the tip of the hand, the right hand, and then we caress or clean the beak with the wing 3 times. And then we move back to the center. Okay? Next, we begin to descend 3 times. Right foot in front. When we lower the wings, we move forward. 3. We take half a step with the left foot. And the same thing. We move forward while lowering the wing 3 times. And on the 4th, the feet are coming together. We land on the ground. Okay. Next, we check with our left foot if the ground is solid. Maybe a little bit back. Check it like this. We touch it a few times. And then we check with the right foot. Same thing. And again, we put our left foot half a step in front. We open out our chest and the wings a bit. We lift the beak above the horizon and we look at eternity or into infinity. And then we end. So this is